Hello everyone, and on this episode of Kneezel Woodworking Designs, I'm going to be rebuilding a birdhouse that almost killed me.
Oh no! That was like inches from your face.
After cleanup, the very first thing you want to do is cut your base out so you have a firm foundation to build on. Next thing you're going to do is cut out the walls that the little boogers are going to be flying into. Next, I'm doing interlocking panels as wall dividers. Next thing to do is take the measurements of where the holes are going to be. I'm using an incredibly old hole saw, and I did not have any Forstner bits at this time. Whenever I did this, that would make it so much easier. But hey, you gotta work with what you got sometimes. For easy cleaning every year, I decided to go with a continuous hinge. I absolutely loved the final product. this is the bottom of the roof section. Now, whenever you're doing this, just make sure that your out feet is clear. Don't do what I did. This was not safe. Whenever you come into contact with this kind of situation, make sure that you don't move your hands, shut the saw off, and don't move the piece until the blade has come to a complete stop. Now this is another section where once I look back, I cannot believe that I was this unsafe. If I missed this piece, that nail would have gone right into my hand. And the really stupid thing is I did it twice, not once. So whenever you're doing this, keep it on a flat surface. Keep the gun pointed away from your body to prevent injury. This is a little magnet that my grandpa actually gave to me before he passed away. I absolutely love it because it keeps my fingers out of harm's way, but it's small enough that you can still drive in these really small nails. I absolutely love using his old tools. It feels like he's a part of my projects whenever I'm building them, and it really means a lot to me. Now this material is actually old cut up gutters. It comes in nice long sections, it's really easy to work with, and also, obviously, it's waterproof. Now, can anyone guess why I'm going to be drilling a hole into this dowel? I thought that I would express my creative side and do something a little bit extra for the little guys. Fearing that a 3/4 ounce bird would completely destroy my birdhouse, I made sure to install 4 hook and loop locks just to keep them locked in there nice and tight. Now the color of blue that I'm using is called Deep Ocean or something utterly ridiculous. The brand that I'm using is Bear, and it's really, really good for outdoor use, and it will be able to stay this true color, and it'll also protect the wood as well in the outdoor elements. Now, I never claimed to be a really good painter. I know that my cutting inability is something to severely be desired. But hey, this thing is going to be really high up in the air. But honestly, I really don't think I'm going to be getting that many negative opinions from the birds. I think they're just going to be happy that they have a place to live. And there it is. Oh, I just love how it turned out. I could not be happier with this brand new birdhouse that I get to look at every single time I come outside. Don't you absolutely love it when you look everywhere and you cannot find your socket set anywhere? My arm was definitely getting tired just doing this old school just by wrenches. But hey, putting in the work, you appreciate it more.